What we did on the internet was revolutionary. We took a single network that was quite smart and devices at the edge which were quite dumb, speakers and microphones, and inverted the model. The network really had no great intelligence. Everything happens in the things we connect to it. And now, when you look at how vulnerable is that, well, do we trust every single computer that's connected to the internet? Do they all do the right thing, talk the right protocol, emit the right packets? Well, obviously they don't. And the increasing realization is that this network, which we built in an academic and research environment where mutual trust was a given, is now working in an environment where mutual trust is at best naive. And a lot of the protocols and systems that we've developed, we've had to rethink. When you go to www.google.com, how do you know where you really go to? You've just typed it in, they're words. The network doesn't understand words, it understands addresses and packets. Is that translation from the word google.com to a particular address genuine, or are you going to an elaborate fake? How do you as a consumer know? And all of this relies on this shadowy subsystem, the domain name system, that not many people know about, that we actually built on phenomenal trust. And now we're looking back at it going, well, that was great, but how do we secure it? How do we put in the necessary infrastructure to actually make sure, a bit like when you go to the bank and see things go green on your browser, this is really your bank and not someone masquerading. How do we do that with other parts of the infrastructure of the internet? It's a fascinating topic, and one that I suppose we've only realised in the last few years as the internet's now everywhere. That security is part and parcel of that entire topic, and that we have to get things right, not just fast and cheap. So we really are going for that magic, almost mythical triumvirate of communication. It used to be good, fast, cheap, you only get two. So something's got to go. We're trying for all three.